Check out Part 6. Glam up the base with gemstones. Welcome back to Wild Things Creative Crafting. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Become part of our crafting family. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Let's get into this video. If you haven't seen parts 1 through 5 of these candle holder stands, check the description box below. Stay tuned for part 7 of this transformation. Thanks so much for watching.